Alright, and that is this look. Let me go and set her with my Morphe Mist. Things first, hit it with the brow wax from e.l.f. and then I hit it with the brow tint from LA Colors, and I did mess up a little bit there, do not come for me. And then I'm gonna brush it out, of course. Now it's time to get into the eyes, so I'm going in with my e.l.f. eyeshadow primer, of course, and then I'm gonna blend it in with my finger. Then tightline my waterline on my upper lid and lower lid. Alright, and now I'm going in with my bronzer, and I'm gonna carve out my crease. Always tap, remember to tap, 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 tap. Don't start blending right away, because then that gets rid of pigment, and that's not what we're trying to do here. So I'm just gonna start by carving out the crease on my eyelid. Alright, but I'm going to end up using the e.l.f. Bite Size Cream and Sugar Mini Palette. But before that, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in white just to cut the crease. Alright, and then I'm going to blend it out with my finger after the brush does not do what I want it to do. And then I'm going to go in with the gold color for my eyelid. I'm going to take that dark brown and go in to my crease a little bit, creating a little bit more depth so it gives it that sultry, sexy look. And then, of course, my favorite, lashes. Be right back. Okay, and then now I'm going to prime my skin with the LA Girl Pro Prep. It's very lightweight and fills in pores wonderfully. Next, time to color correct. Use the green to cancel out red, and use the red to cancel out, well, not red, like orange, to cancel out under eye bags or any dark colors. But yeah, blend, 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 and then let's get to foundation. Alright, and I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Foundation in the color caramel, however you pronounce it. That's the shade that I use, but I put it on my hand to kind of warm it up a little bit, and then I go in with a concealer brush because all my other face brushes were dirty. Very proud of myself for getting through this face of makeup with barely any brushes. And then I go in with some setting spray and I spray my face and blend it out with a sponge. Always keep in mind when you're blending, be sure to put foundation on your neck and blend down to your décolleté, because no one likes a mismatched face and body, okay? Alright, and next I'm gonna do my contour. I use the NYX contour stick. I use the universal shade, that way I don't go too dark or too light. Less is best with this. I go in on my cheeks, my chin, my nose, and my forehead. Always remember to pat up when you blend this, especially on your cheeks. Alright, but after I do the contour, I go in with my concealer. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Pure Beige. Now, I know it does look a little light, but it all blends out very nicely. I try to let that sit for a minute before I blend it out, just to give it a little more full coverage, and that way less is more with this concealer. While I let the concealer sit, I blend out the contour, and then after the contour is blended, I go in, spray my face with setting spray just to add a little moisture, and then blend out the concealer, and then time to use setting powder. Alright, and now I'm going in with my Wet n Wild setting powder in the shade Banana, and I'm going to put it everywhere I put my concealer, and then I'm going to let that sit for a second, and then go in with bronzer, basically everywhere I put the contour before. Now, do not come for me, I'm using 2 highlighter brushes because my other brushes were dirty. But yeah, so they actually worked very well. I was very surprised, but then I'm actually going to go in and kind of double bake a little bit. I'm going in with my Chanel finishing powder just to get any areas that the original setting powder from Wet n Wild didn't get. Alrighty, and now I'm gonna do my under eye area. I like to basically match my under eye with the eyeshadow on the top lid. You're gonna basically see what I mean now by doing my under eye. I like to add color there. It looks good. It just brings the whole look together. You'll see right now. Then after I'm done with that, I'll go in with my eyelash primer just to give my lower lashes, you know, make them look better. And then I go in with my regular mascara, CoverGirl Lash Blast. Next, it's time to address the lips. I'm going to go in with my LA Colors lip pencil in Plum and just color my lips in basically from top to bottom, side to side. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with my lovely Lano lips. It's basically Vaseline Fearless, but you can use it for other things, and I love this stuff. It's so creamy, it feels so good on my lips. Alright, and now I'm actually going to go in and fix my lips. I always end up having to do this. I'll take some foundation and just kind of go on the outline of my lip wherever I messed up at with my lip liner or lipstick or lip gloss. Then I'm going to use my sponge, tap into my blush, and go ahead and tap it onto my cheeks very lightly because I've never done this method before, so I'm a little nervous. And then I'm going in with my favorite Maybelline Chrome highlighter and just highlighting my cheeks, nose, and under my brow bone. Then I take that same color and put it on the inner corner of my eye to open up my eye more, and that's it for the look. Alright, and that is this look. Let me go and set her with my Morphe Mist. I know, it was a bit extra, but I mean, look at this look though. I'm feeling very good, very glowy. I'm very proud of myself. I literally used a minimal amount of brushes for my face, which is weird. I don't like using sponges like that, you know what I mean? But I had no choice because I'm washing my other brushes because I have a client Sunday. I'm so excited. But yeah, that was this look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it was informative. I hope I didn't speed through the process too quickly for some people. So I'm gonna, yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the makeup vlog. I need to, hold on. I always like to put highlight on my Cupid's bow, and I don't know, I can't even think of where I got it from. I can't remember where I got that from, putting highlighter on my Cupid's bow, but yeah, I like doing that.
yeah, I like how it looks. I don't know why. Yeah, I like how it looks. If you don't like the Cupid's bow highlighter, you don't have to do it. But yeah, that's just me. I love a good highlight. I love my nose highlight. I love the cheek highlight. I love the brow bone highlight. But yeah, this is how I got the look. I hope you guys enjoyed the makeup tutorial. But yeah, stay safe and blessed, y'all. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Bye.